Hello parents, this week's unit is on patterns. There are several activities that you will have to complete this week, and they're due at the end of the week. So when you log in to Seesaw, make sure to choose your student's name and go to activities. And here you will see the activities in order. You don't specifically have to do them in any order. However, I do suggest that you watch this part first because this is the video explanation of patterns, which is what they're learning this week. So when you click here, the video will pop up and it'll give them an explanation of how to create a pattern and what a pattern is. Then they will go on a hunt around the house and look for patterns. Here's an example of what I want them to do. Remember to always add a response so that you're able to post your response on the journal for your students. They're going to take a picture, use the drawing tool and outline the pattern, use the microphone, and explain to me what kind of pattern it is. It could just be simple. They can say the curtains are an AB pattern. Then they're going to finish the ABC pattern. They're going to click add a response. And here, this will pop up. You can see that they can move the pieces around to complete the pattern. On the top line, they need to complete the pattern. On the bottom line, they can either continue the pattern or they can create a brand new pattern. Then we're going to go here to the Flipgrid. When you press on the link of the Flipgrid, you're going to add code Machado 6835 and this will pop up. Here is the video explanation. They have to basically put on patterns and then video themselves showing us what patterns they're wearing. You need to click on this green button so that you're able to record a response. Then the other activity is a Padlet. So when you scan this QR code on your phone, the Padlet will pop up, which is here. Here is my pattern, my Padlet pattern that I created. And what they're going to do is they're going to create a pattern first, and then they're going to upload the picture of that pattern onto here. And then one more thing they have to do is they have to just comment, and you can help them, of course, with this on somebody else's pattern. And then just please type exactly what they said and how they said it. And then at the end, there's a quiz. So when you click on it, it will open up the quiz, and please have them type their first and last name here, and then they're going to go through the questions. Where do you see a pattern? And then they click on the correct answer, and they're going to go through the quiz just like that. And then that will be it for the week, for this week's unit. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact me. You can either contact me by email or you can use the option on Seesaw to send me a message. Either way, remember, I will take at least 24 hours to get back to you, so please don't hesitate if you have any questions at all. Hope you have fun this week.